Artificial intelligence or AI has been making waves in various industries like finance, healthcare, or even marketing. One AI model that has been gaining popularity is ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. But what exactly is ChatGPT? How can you use it and can it be helpful in making money in 2023? Hi, my name is Sunny and I make content that affect a common man financially. So let's dive into today's topic. Can you make money with ChatGPT? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which of course will be highly appreciated. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that is designed to respond to text-based prompts in a human-like manner. It can be used for a variety of applications like customer service, language translation, and even content creation. Being trained on a large data set of text enables it to understand nuances of language where it has the ability to generate responses that are contextually appropriate. It is designed to be customizable that can be fine tuned to specific uses and requirements. This gives you the ability to create personalized content that can help businesses increase engagements while improving customer satisfaction. ChatGPT is simple to use, which can be accessed using various AI tools where existing platforms that integrate with an API can be a good start. Platforms like IBM Watson Assistant provides a user-friendly interface to create conversational flows while ChatGPT brings in the language capabilities. OpenAI provides a simple user-friendly interface for non-technical person on their website which can help you get started. You can use ChatGPT through its API directly, which no doubt offers more flexibility and customization options, but some programming and technical knowledge will be required. Either way, you need to train and fine tune ChatGPT to your specific use case to get optimized, accurate, and appropriate responses. AI and ChatGPT are changing our lives in numerous ways. Their use in improving customer service experience while enabling more efficient communication and content creation are one of the many advantages. They are enabling us to automate and optimize processes while improving decision making, which ultimately enhances our experience with the technology. One of the biggest impacts of AI and ChatGPT is in the domain of customer service and support, which can lead to cost saving for businesses and a more positive customer experience. Nowadays, it is also being used to develop new products and services such as virtual assistants and chatbots for personal use. Yes, you can monetize ChatGPT in several ways as it offers many opportunities for businesses and individuals to generate revenue through the innovative use of this technology. Companies that offer ChatGPT powered services can charge for their service, which can lead to a recurring income for a business. Another way to monetize ChatGPT is through content creation like blog posts, social media, etc., which can save time and effort for content creators. I understand content writers cannot be replaced completely, but it can be an efficient tool in their hands to enhance productivity. Additionally, individuals can monetize ChatGPT through various online platforms that offer many applications for service industry. There are multiple ways to make money with ChatGPT technology. A chatbot service for a fee can provide instant and personalized responses for customer queries while improving customer satisfaction. A technically aware person can create templates for other businesses using ChatGPT powered chatbots. If you are in a creative field, you can use them for blog posts or social media, which can save time as well as effort. Some companies host online contests that offer cash prizes to winners as they perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. With evolution of this technology, there will be an increase in demand for training and consultation services, which can be a business opportunity. ChatGPT represents a significant evolution and a huge step in the field of AI. It is a language model that uses a deep learning algorithm to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. Since its release, it has been used in a variety of applications. While there are certainly potential drawbacks and ethical things to consider, the potential benefits of using AI to generate high quality content and improve customer service are significant. AI and ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way we work, communicate, and do business. With its ability to generate human like responses to text based prompts, I believe it will open new opportunities in 2023 and beyond. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.